Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today we're going to talk about how you are going to print price tags out of the Price Manager. The Price Manager is something that you're going to use if you want to change a bunch of prices at once. Like maybe you want to change an entire department's prices, or maybe you want to up your margin across your entire store. Well, what goes along with changing prices? Well, you need new price tags because all of your old price tags are going to be wrong. Before we get to that, I'm going to encourage you to click the link below and join our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group, a wonderful place where you can ask questions or talk about errors or training or whatnot with people such as me or other point of sale users. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to get all our new wonderful QuickBooks Point of Sale videos. Let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna go on the inventory menu up here and go to Price Manager. We are gonna make the quickest price change ever so that we can get to the tag printing part. All right, quick change is the name of this change. We're gonna make it to the regular price. We're gonna make it for just one department so that we can understand what we're doing. Let's do it to the shirts department because there's 7 different items there. I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna say take the current price and calculate regular price by adding a percentage. Let's add 20%. We are upping our prices by 20%. And we're gonna end them in a 9. You don't really need to pay attention to this. I'm just getting to the final screen here. All right, so for example, this $12.49 shirt is gonna become $14.99. This $28.89 shirt is going to end up being $34.69. So we're upping the price. And along with upping the price, we're gonna want to print the new price tags. I'm going to apply changes to inventory. Go ahead and apply the price changes. Okay. Now we're actually going to open this back up. And from here, I'm going to select all of these. I'm going to choose the first one and the last one. And I was holding down Shift and that selected all of them. And then I am going to go on the print menu to print inventory tags. Very importantly, there was a print tags button right above that before we made the change, but actually clicking on that, since you haven't made the change yet, would print the old price. That's very important, so don't jump the gun. You got to open it back up here, highlight everything, hit print inventory tags. Now we have the selected, print only the selected items, yep. And we're gonna do on-hand quantities. And I am currently on the regular label, Intuit label, which is the 1.25 by 2.25. So on-hand quantities, print only selected items, there we go. It's printing, and I probably have quite a few of these on hand. I probably should have planned that better, but here we go. Fast forward a little maybe. All right, yes, that was quite a few. And now looking on the screen there, let's see, $34.69 for my info security shirt. Got that right here. $34.69 is the new updated price. And we're just gonna go through our store with all of these and find these products and print the updated price or label the updated price on our products in the store. So that's how you do it when you're making a price change and you just want to go ahead and make your new labels, because it's not going to make sense if you make a price change and don't update your pricing on your products. Customers are going to get confused, cashiers are going to get confused. Make sure when you do a price change that you label all your products. My name is Peter with BlackRock Business. Thanks for coming along on this journey on updating your labels when you change your price. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.